They actually have a greater return on investment over the long term. So not just within the 5 years where generally you get your return on investment and your payback's done, but into your 10, your 20-year timeframes, your 30-year timeframes, it becomes a positive investment. They also then have a greater efficiency and they produce more over the time. So if you're looking at the actual facts and figures on the products and you're having a look at their outputs over that time or their efficiencies of production, they are just absolutely beating the cheaper options that are out there. So that's where you really want to create that return on investment. It's not just the time frame that it takes to pay for itself, it's actually the money it's going to make you over the longer period. Unfortunately, if you're choosing some inferior product or the install is not up to standard or above standard in a lot of cases, we do see horror stories out there, and people are aware of the horror stories because the media have certainly gotten hold of that and run with that. Unfortunately, they can lead to solar fires, they can lead to systems failing and not producing, and you won't find out until it appears on your electricity bill. So if your system hasn't been working for the last 3 months and you get an electricity bill that is a lot higher than what you are anticipating or what you are used to, that's another bill shock there. So you might have had your solar system installed for a period of time and you're used to having low bills, and then all of a sudden you get a big bill that might be $700 more than what you were anticipating. You have to factor for that as well.